Hi everybody, Divya Pandit here. So here we start with a reading of Pisces. Pisces 2021 August. So let's start what we have for Pisces. Pisces are all into their, I feel they are following cultures, maybe they are all into their spirituality. They are right now only thinking about growth and okay. Maybe some Pisceans might be thinking about getting married soon. People who are single. Okay. So let me see. Work is going through a little bit tough time right now for Pisces. I think it's going on for many people like this. Pisces, you need to really manifest. Your manifesting power has been lost somewhere. So, very soon in the month of August, you are going to come out and you're going to actually be the way you used to be. In the difficult times, maybe you lost your confidence, maybe you lost your ability to attract the right work, right money, right, maybe project or whatever you're doing in your work. But in the month of August, that is going to come back to you. Okay, August is a very good month for money, anyways. So, the first week of August, you're going to get work. People who don't have work will get work. People who don't have job will get jobs. People who don't have this right now, maybe their confidence at work, that will come back. So the first week you're going to be in your elements. You're going to do your job. You're going to start your work, money. Everything is coming to you in the first week of August. Okay, it's a very good month for you, Pisces. Don't worry. The second week, you're going to enjoy the perks of your money. Like if you've earned something, so you're going to have, get everything organized. Maybe organize your business or your job or your home space, or everything is going to get very well organized, and you're going to put in money in something that is going to benefit you even more. That is the second week. The third week is all happy energy, where you're going to be all emotionally satisfied that your work is doing well and everything, and more offers might come your way in the third week. And in the fourth week, again, you are balancing money. Maybe there is not just balance, maybe you're investing somewhere and you're balancing money, or possible that you are doing two jobs, maybe two businesses, two jobs, or maybe you're in a job, you're doing some freelancing, something like that. You are doing a lot of work, more than one thing you are doing in the fourth week. Okay, let's take a recap. The first week you are all in your elements, you're doing your work, you're getting work, job, whatever you are in. In the second week, you are actually putting on money in something new, something that you can create more money. Third week, there is more offers coming your way, you're emotionally happy with your work. And the fourth week, you are doing more than one job, balancing two kinds of jobs. So I think it's a very good month for you in August. It's a very good month for you, and you're doing extremely well in this month. Extremely well. Okay? So do not worry about it, Pisces. Absolutely excellent month after a very long period of, bad luck. Good luck is coming to you. Okay? So now let's see what we have in our relationship area. Thing fell off. Whoa. Solar plex chakra. Some people have to work on that. Let me see Mukas. Only then I'll comment. Okay, now Pisces relationship. Pisces relationship area is a little blocked in the month of August. Let me just shuffle more cards. I feel your relationships are blocked in the month of August. Reason why? Because first, though, you're fearing what happened in the past will happen again. Okay, what results should have been there in the month of August for your relationship? Right now, you are not ready for the relationship, I feel, Pisces. You are just looking You're still in your isolation period, thinking period. You want to be alone, you want to, not exactly isolation, but possible some people must be in isolation because of COVID, but uh, it's more to do with isolation of mind. Mentally, you want to be isolated because you're still thinking whether I should take this relationship, whether I should have this relationship. You're still thinking. You're still very confused, very, very confused right now. And also, I feel you're not trusting. It's more to do with trust. You're not trusting that this relationship will work out in future also. So right now there is no trust, there is only thinking. In the month of August you are wanting those dreams or that happy energy around you. Maybe this relationship could be family, could be friends, could be a lover, could be husband wife, could be anything, but you want it to shine, but somewhere you're not yet ready in the month. Two chakras that you have to work on. One is your third eye, because you're refusing to see what is the truth. If you acknowledge the truth, Pisces, only then you will be able to acknowledge this relationship or this energy that you are asking for right now, thinking about. You're still caged. There's a lot of inner child issues. Maybe there's some fear still left, and that is why you're not ready to walk forward in the month of August. The first card that jumped off was Solar Plex. Solar Plex is all about personal power. So maybe there is no confidence, there is no personal power to step into the relationship. That is what the problem is. Only after that, this will happen. So in the month of August, I don't think you're stepping into any relationship. Okay, if you have a relationship, you will take a step back. If you are asking this question about wanting to have a relationship, then you have to release your fear, Pisces. Any Pisces who's looking to have a relationship in future, who's single, is still confused because they've not yet released their fears. So in August, it's a big no for relationship. You will still take more time to decide. That's what I feel. Let's see now what fairies have to say for Pisces in the month of August. Magical gateway. Let me know the specs. It takes courage and trust to venture into the unknown. Yet this is where the greatest rewards are. It's time to step boldly forward without looking back. So I feel there are doors opening for you in your life. Maybe possible in your relationship, possible in your work. Work area was absolutely amazing, rocking. I think in relationship area you need to release your fears, because the gates of your love, relationship and abundance as a whole is opening right now, right in August. So if you really want to take a step, you have to heal your fears, you have to heal your confidence issues, and only then things will be fine. So that's all. See you next month with the next reading, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, and don't forget to share it with your family and friends. Call me for paid appointment only, email me for paid appointments only, and follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, because I do a lot of work posting over there, a lot of information there too. And if you don't have Instagram, many people don't, please download, and then you see there's a lot of work that I do there. So I really want everybody to benefit. And that's all. Be healthy, be safe, take care of yourself. Love you. Bye bye.